On June 13th, Tesla shareholders will have another chance to vote on CEO Elon Musk's pay package that's been worth as much as $56 billion. That compensation was invalidated by a Delaware judge earlier this year. But Musk, not the only company leader pushing compensation packages higher. Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan has the details.
Yeah, so there's been a lot of talk about whether this skyrocketing CEO compensation, executive compensation is due to Musk. Is Musk to blame? Is there some Musk effect because he did nab, before the Delaware court invalidated it, that $56 billion compensation package? Now, we wanted to find out how big these pay jumps are and also what's driving them. So we looked at these compensation packages for CEOs both before the Musk deal and after the Musk deal. And what we found is what really matters is about the size of these increases is the index, what we're talking about, which CEOs are we talking about, and also the size of the companies that they're running. So take a look at the number of the CEOs in the S&P who were awarded more than $50 million in annual compensation. That had a fourfold increase. If you look at the 5-year period, that's 2013 to 2017, before Musk's 2018 pay package, jumping all the way to 36 in the 5 years after. So certainly those big awards at the S&P level are significantly quadrupling. Then let's go to just the biggest U.S. companies. And what we're talking about here are companies that have more than $1 billion in annual revenue. The median dollar amount awarded there also saw a jump. You look at 2022, $22.3 million average pay there. That was up 7.7% over 2021. Then if you jump to 2023, you see they're up 11.4% year over year. Now, if we take, though, a much wider look and we take a look at the amount, the dollar amounts awarded to CEOs in the Russell 3000, right? So a bigger picture here. If we look at 2018 to 2022, so all after the Musk deal, you see there all CEOs up 6.2%. And then you see, though, a much more moderate increase when you take it to the CEOs that are running companies that have revenues above $20 billion a year. That's just 2.4 increase over that time period. Now, the whopping number there, 19.3% increase from 2018 to 2022, those are for the CEOs at the smaller firms, under $50 million per year in revenue. So the lesson here is really that maybe it's not a Musk effect. Maybe that is just an outlier. And it's really these companies that are under that $50 million per year in revenue mark that are driving these big jumps. So a lot to still watch here as pay either increases, moderates, decreases. But what experts are telling me who put together and analyze these pay packages is that they expect to see a jump for the full year 2023 and as we go into 2024 as well.
Great reporting there, Alexis. Thanks so much for putting that all in perspective for us.